Good morning everyone, on a morning which is a little bit warmer outside, I'm glad to say. Anyhow, we'll start with a lamp that is not particularly rare, but it probably goes back a few years. Looking at the carton that it was in, indicates that it was a few years ago. I would say possibly 60s. Don't think it goes back to the 50s, but never know, it might do. There's what's on the package, 232.40. Small bayonet cap, argenta, white, made by Philips over here. So it's made in Great Britain. This was probably made at the lamp works near where I live now. I know Croydon was the main area. Croydon, the Wallington way, where their factories used to be. Not there now, but that's where they used to be. Anyhow, let's have a little look at the ball. It's simply a ball lamp, which I remember were quite popular in those type of times, the 60s and that, with the so-called futuristic furniture and light fittings, and these were often used in conjunction where they just showed the actual lamp itself, no shade or anything on it. It was the fact it was a decorative shape. You got a little bit of writing on the cap or the base. Turn it around and you see exactly what it says. There's got a code there as well, by the way, 90 with a circle with a dot in the middle. So, pointing this one towards you, Alec, you'll probably know what that code is. It's made in England, so we've got to get away from the Wirt factory in Holland. This one was definitely English. There's the name, made in Great Britain, the voltage and everything else. Never ever been used. We're going to light it up now so you can all see what it's like. Variacs at nil. There's the lamp of light. With this nice silver light effect, it's a nice even light, which would eliminate presumably hard shadows. So ideal for lamps in like a living room or somewhere like that. And as I say, these were very popular in the 60s. I do remember the 60s, by the way. I remember the 50s, by the way. Brings back memories. So it's more or less all about this one. Any questions, please ask, and I'll get back to you. Anyhow, thanks again for watching. Slowly turn this one down so it goes off, and have a look to see what else I'm going to put up. Anyhow, thanks again. Thank you.